A repurposed 1950s Pittsburgh Diner finds a new home as a concession area in a theater in Irwin, Pennsylvania. Right now on Steel City News. The Lamp Theater opened its doors in downtown Irwin in 1937, and since then it's had quite a journey in becoming the modern theater destination it is today. The Lamp just celebrated the grand opening of its new concession area, built out of a repurposed 1950s diner that lived most of its life in Pittsburgh. We attended the grand opening that was held outside on the new and beautiful Harper family courtyard, and got a chance to speak with some of those involved in making this dream a reality.
We found out that the Lamp needed to expand the refreshment area because they just weren't accommodating the patrons in a rapid enough fashion, and they had a plan for a brick and mortar building. And myself and another gentleman, Mike Pochin, came up with the idea of maybe capturing an abandoned diner somewhere and bringing it to Irwin and make it kind of a cool destination instead of just building another building in town. And we located the Ritter's Diner on January 1, 2017 in Station Square. We reached out to the real estate company and they said, please take it. We're going to demolish it in the next month or two. And we started a GoFundMe campaign to get it moved. Which was about $18,000 to do that, and then we had to set a concrete courtyard here, and over the course of about a year we raised about $48,000. We moved it on April 21st, 2017 with a lot of fanfare and a lot of coverage in the news media as well as television media, and we ran out of money, and then we started raising some more money. Casey Harper came to our rescue and took the naming rights for the Harper family courtyard, which gave us the means to get going. We started up again around May 25, 2018. Until today, we gutted this diner and came up with an interior design that we thought would create good traffic flow and be in automotive terms, we kind of did what was called a resto mod, where we have the essence of a real diner with all the creature comforts internally as to how we're going to serve people and get them moving through here, put in a lot of the ambience that they appreciate as maybe someone who appreciates an old diner. And here we are today on May 11th, 2019. We still have a little bit to do, but we were done enough to be open today.
We were sitting at home one night. We knew they were doing this, and we said we should get involved in it. So I said, I'm going to see what's available, and we went down, we talked, and
the more we were involved, the more we kept wanting to get more and more because they were doing such a great job, and
turned out absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah.
What they started with, you got to get a lot of credit to the volunteers in this town.
It brings a lot of people into Irwin. I mean, they've brought a lot of businesses into Irwin. There's a lot of different shops and stores and restaurants coming here, and we just hope that all the little towns are gone away, and now we just hope that Irwin just is here to stay. I mean, this is really a very nice
I've
venue.
talked to some of the business owners, and they said, unbelievable the difference this made, in their business, bringing more people to the town. And this is just phenomenal. It's just beautiful. The original owner of this diner, we were in Army together, and I haven't seen him since 1957. It's the last time I seen him, and he's here tonight.
So what was it like seeing him now after all that time?
When he got out of the car over there, I recognized him.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a surprise,
Yeah.
but he recognized him right away.
He's just a down-to-earth guy, very nice guy.
Yeah, what a thing to have it do a full circle. You were in the Army with him,
Yeah.
and now you bought his diner. Well, you didn't buy it, but you helped bring it to Irwin.
The thing that I'm most proud of is Irwin, Pennsylvania is probably a top 10 main street in Pennsylvania, and one of the reasons that it is a strong community bond and just passionate volunteers that give unbelievable amounts of time to make something like this happen. We're very proud that we did probably 95% of this without any taxpayer funding whatsoever. So we kind of proved that that can be done when you have the right people and the right support from the community.
Well, we pulled everything together, and we had so we had first the curved cove in the ceiling, and we have a laminate that was taken off of that ceiling. And back in the day, it was called cracked ice, and we wanted to replicate that same pattern on the ceiling. And I brought our professional finisher forward, and she came on board to the project, and it's been amazing.
A lot of what I do has to do with replicating finishes. Like there's a finish on the outside of this diner that went in on a wall, and you know that tabletop you see that's got that cracked ice look, maybe it's been in your grandma's house, that's what's up there. The Hollywood ceiling has a lot to do with, you know, Hollywood movie theater type, kind of an exciting look, and when it's nighttime, it just sparkles.
Yeah, we wanted to do a sparkle on the ceiling, just to bring everything forward and
to lift the
and
space.
to give it some glamour and some glitz, and there you are on the ceiling with the reflection from the light and everything,
and all of the stainless that's in there, the chrome,
Yeah.
it sparkles, just sparkles.
When they actually received the diner here on this spot, they started the process to take it apart bit by bit, and we're so painstakingly careful to take care of all the stainless. We kept everything, and we framed a piece in there, so we have actual pieces of the stainless that was in the diner, but we just took care of everything and tried to reuse what we could. And
We used it as artwork when we could use it.
Yeah.
We framed it and made it wall art. It's a
everyone that was
passion project.
involved here was a passion project, and it really, to bring this to life and to see Cheryl cry when she walked in was like
Made us all cry.
was all worth it. It's all worth it.
Thanks for coming, everyone. It's been a long journey here, and we are finally there. And I'll tell you, there's a bunch of people around you right now that are saying, "Thank God this thing's over." It was a lot of work. So my name is John Gadula. I'm part of the lamp board, and on behalf of the lamp board and the project committee, I want to say thanks again for coming out to celebrate this special event.
Now keep in mind, the repurposed diner is a concession area for the theater. So they serve drinks and popcorn, those types of refreshments, so that you can go out there during intermission, you can go out there before your show begins. But it is an incredible addition to the theater. I know I'm going to be enjoying it. Will you?